In this video, I'm going to be explaining factors that can increase your chance of conceiving twins naturally, and also talk about some medication that can as well increase your chance of conceiving twins or having multiple babies. So when I'm done discussing all this, I'm also going to tell you guys the signs and symptoms that you are having twins. Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is TRIPLET. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I am a registered nurse, a registered midwife, and a Bachelor of Nursing Science degree holder. I currently practice midwifery here in the UK. So if you're interested in this topic, please keep watching. Do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Alright, so let's get into this video. So first of all, there are two types of twins. We have the identical twin or the MCDA twin, and the fraternal twin or the DCDA twin. I'm going to explain, don't worry. So the identical twin results from one fertilized egg which split into two, and this results into identical twin. So this type of twins, they usually look alike. They are usually of the same sex, the same height, same weight, same characteristics, same gene, because they are sharing same gene. You know, I said that it's as a result of one fertilized egg splitting into two. So on the other hand, the fraternal twin is the most common type of twin pregnancy. This means that each baby has different placenta and different sac, and it originates from two separate eggs which are fertilized by two separate sperm. So this type of twins are often non-identical. So they can either be a female and a male, sometimes same sex, but they are not identical. But they can have a normal sibling resemblance, like you can tell that, oh, this person is this person's sibling. Okay, so now let's talk about factors that can actually increase your chance of conceiving twins naturally. So number one is family history of twins. So if a man and a woman get married and the woman has a family history of twins, it may increase her chance of having twin pregnancy. So let me rephrase. A woman with a family history of twins has a slightly higher chance of having twins. So a family history of twins on the woman's mother's side increase her likelihood compared to a family history of twin on the woman's father's side. However, this only applies if conception takes place without the use of fertility treatment. The second factor is age. Women who are above 30 years are more likely to conceive twins. The reason for this is that women of this age are more likely than younger women to release more eggs, or to release more than one egg during their reproductive cycle. So if sperm fertilize two separate eggs, a twin pregnancy will occur. So the next factor I'm talking about is race. So generally, blacks have a high chance of having twin pregnancy. So another factor that can also influence the high chance of conceiving twin is your height and your weight. The American Society for Reproductive Medicine reports that non-identical twins are slightly more common in taller or heavier women than they are in smaller women. So the reason for this are not clear, but it might be due to better nutrition in the taller or heavier women. Please, I am not trying to say that smaller women are not healthy. No. Another interesting factor is breastfeeding. So if you don't know, breastfeeding can also be a natural form of contraception for women. I mean those who are exclusively breastfeeding. When I mean exclusively breastfeeding, I mean women who solely give their baby breast milk other than formulas. So when a woman now gets pregnant while breastfeeding, this might increase her chance of conceiving twins. So I'm going to use myself as an example because I am a twin mom. I remember when I had my first baby, she was still she breastfed exclusively, and she was 9 months old when I noticed that I was pregnant for my twins. So as soon as I noticed I was pregnant, meanwhile I was breastfeeding, so I had to stop breastfeeding. In fact, the baby herself just stopped taking my breast milk, so I had to focus on the pregnancy at hand. So that's why I also said that when you're breastfeeding, why like when you're breastfeeding and you get pregnant while breastfeeding, this might increase your chance of having twins. With that being said, I have mentioned the natural ways which I think can predispose people to conceiving twins naturally. I'm going to be talking about fertility treatment. Okay, so the next on the list is fertility treatment. So this can as well improve your chance of having twins. So some fertility drug works by stimulating the woman's ovaries, which can sometimes cause them to release more than one egg during ovulation. So if sperm fertilizes both of the eggs, this can result in twins. So let me emphasize on the fertility treatment that I have mentioned. Just a disclaimer here. So for disclaimer, the drugs I'm about to mention are prescription only medication. You need your doctor to prescribe this medication for you before you can have them. Is that all right? So please don't just walk into the pharmacy and say, Nurse D asked me to come and buy this. I am not your doctor. Please do not. And I repeat, it's a prescription only medication. Now, the reason why I have said that it's a prescription only medication, it means that your doctor who have prescribed this medication for you will be the one to monitor you while you are on this medication, because these are not, or this is not a medication that you can just go and take without knowing your body, because there are some things that your doctor needs to check on you before you can have it. Is that all right? Please be guided. So the first drug I'll be mentioning is clomiphene citrate, also known as Clomid. So this is a hormonal drug that increases the level of the follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone in the body. So these two hormones cause the maturation of eggs and release the eggs during ovulation. The eggs are then fertilized by different sperm cells, which can lead to multiple pregnancy, a procedure that can as well increase your chance of twin pregnancy. This method increases your chance by over 60%, and this makes it the highest method that can increase your chance of being pregnant with twins. This procedure is called the IVF, in vitro fertilization. Yeah, so this is whereby eggs and the sperm are being fertilized outside your body and is then taken back inside your body, if that makes sense. And this procedure can as well improve the chance of having both identical and fraternal kind of twins. So let's move on to signs that will tell you that you are pregnant with twins. The number one sign is hyperemesis gravidarum. When this is increased, like you're having excess of this might be a chance that you're having more than one baby. So the next one is big abdomen, like when your abdomen is actually bigger than the gestational age. So all these pregnancy symptoms can be similar or are similar to a single pregnancy symptom, but it's when they are more intense that you will start having the mindset that, oh, you are pregnant with twins or triplets. May experience breast tenderness, fatigue, frequent urination. Yes, so this frequent urination is due to excess HCG in your system, and this can happen as early as 6 weeks from experience. Yeah, so you might be having frequent urination at night, and your mindset might just tell you that, oh, you're having more than one baby. You also be having increased appetite and morning sickness. Okay, yeah, and also when you do a PT, it might be like you do a urine PT, it might be seen earlier than when you are pregnant with a single baby. So with all that being said, the highest method for you to confirm that you are having a multiple pregnancy is for you to go and have an ultrasound scan done. So this is 100% way to tell you that you are actually having 2 or more babies. Okay, So just because I don't want this video to be too long, please watch my next video where I'll be telling you the best style to have twin pregnancy, like the best sex style to use in order for you to be pregnant with twins. Okay, so if truly you desire to have twins, triplets or quadruplets, I wish you good luck with that. I should be expecting good news from you 9 months from the time you're watching this video. I actually can't wait to celebrate you in the comment section, so please do come back to let me know, or let us know, that you are actually having twin babies. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you gained 1 or 2 things from this video, and if so, please do well to like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.